In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a clickable button in Figma. Start by opening your design in Figma so you can place the button where it belongs in your layout. With the canvas ready, choose the Type tool or press T and type the label you want on your button. With that text layer selected, press Shift+A. This wraps your text in an auto layout frame, which is perfect for buttons because it automatically adjusts the size as your label changes and gives you easy control over spacing. Now style the button in the right sidebar. Add a fill to set the background color so your text has strong contrast and remains readable. Adjust the corner radius to your preference anywhere from 8 up to 100 for a more rounded pill shape. Then set your padding so the text has comfortable breathing room. Use larger horizontal padding than vertical if you want a classic button look. These settings ensure your button is consistent and scalable as you iterate. Next, convert this into a component by clicking the diamond-shaped Create Component icon at the top center of the toolbar. Components let you reuse the same button everywhere and update it in one place. With the component selected, click Add Variant in the right sidebar. You'll now have a second version of the button inside the same component. Change the color of this second variant to represent a hover or pressed state. For example, a slightly darker background can communicate that the button is being interacted with. Time to add interaction. Switch to the Prototype tab in the right sidebar. Click the plus icon or drag the blue node from the button to another frame or to the second variant. If you connect it to another frame, set the trigger to on-click and the action to navigate to. So clicking the button moves to the next screen. If you connect it to the second variant, set the action to change to, so the button visually switches to your hover or pressed look. When clicked, create a frame to place your button for testing. Then open the Assets panel, find your button component, and drag an instance onto the frame. Click the Play button to open Presentation View and test it. If it doesn't behave as expected, double-check you are on the Prototype tab, that the connection uses on-click, and that you set the correct action. That's it. Thanks for watching.